to take?
Whatever you want.
No,
A controller.
Control.
She said a controller to play PS3, yeah.
You couldn't hear the mom going, Kyle, stop. Well, I am wearing my new Seattle watch. No matter what time it is always 4:20 on my watch. Yes,
I bet he smokes weed.
This is day 2 of legalized marijuana in Washington State.